I'm Gina Prather, and we're Clovis Area Home Educators. It's a group of teenagers that homeschool. We're putting on our annual play, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, and we are performing March 1st and 2nd this Friday night. It's going to be at 7 o'clock New Mexico time, 8 o'clock Texas time, and then Saturday is going to be 2 o'clock New Mexico time and 3 o'clock Texas time. And the admission's free. Come in. We're at the Lyceum Theater on Main Street. Enjoy the play, and if you want to make a donation to help us do this again, we'd really appreciate it. But mostly just come and enjoy the theater. And these kids have worked really hard. They're a great group of kids. They're excellent, and we don't settle for mediocrity. We expect excellence from them, and that's what they give us.